Hi grade 7, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn mathematics with me, Miss Tia. In our daily life, we already know that if we want to count some material, we use some number. There are some type of number, such as whole number, counting number, and integer. If we want to count some material, we use counting number. Start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And if we use 0 before 1, it's called with whole number. But before 0, there are some number. What number are there? Yes, that's called with negative number.
Our math vocabularies today. The first is whole numbers. Whole numbers are simply the numbers starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The second is counting numbers. Counting numbers are whole numbers but without the 0 because you can't count 0. The third is integers. Integers are like whole numbers, but they also include negative numbers, but still no fraction allowed. And the fourth, negative numbers. What is negative number? Let's find out the explanation about negative number from the upcoming video.
Negative numbers are any number less than 0. Imagining something less than 0 can be difficult. Suppose you have a bowl of oranges, and someone takes them away until you have 0 left. When there's nothing, it's hard to imagine being able to take away more. However, there are instances in real life where we use numbers less than 0. For example, did you know the average temperatures at the top of Mount Everest range from negative 19 degrees Celsius to negative 36 degrees Celsius? Wow, that's cold! Negative numbers also appear a lot in finances to show debt. Suppose you have $50 in your bank account, but then you accidentally spend $60. Your account's balance is now negative 10. This means you owe the bank $10. To understand negative numbers even more, let's look at a number line. For every positive number, there is a negative number. Negative numbers can also be thought of as the opposite of a positive number. So, the opposite of 5 is negative 5. You might also notice that as we go further down the number line, the negative numbers appear to get larger. However, the numbers are really getting smaller. For example, negative 10 is smaller than negative 5. This can be confusing, but think about it in terms of temperature. Suppose on a winter's day it's negative 25 degrees Celsius in Barrow, Alaska, and negative 35 degrees Celsius in Stanley, Idaho. Stanley would be colder than Barrow because negative 35 is lower than negative 25. Now you know the basics of negative numbers.